In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off Siri and dictation on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to do this through settings using the screen time section, so just follow along as I tap through the exact menus. First, I'm going to open the settings app. I'm looking for that grey gear icon, and once I see it, I'm tapping it once to open it up. Now we're inside settings and you'll see a long list of options. Don't worry if it feels like a lot, this is just a scroll and find moment. What we're looking for is screen time. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list slowly. I'm keeping an eye on the labels as they pass by, and I'm just moving down until I spot screen time. If you scroll past it, it's totally fine, just scroll back up a little bit. Okay, I see screen time now, so I'm going to tap on screen time. Now we're on the screen time page. This is where iPhone keeps a bunch of controls for limits and restrictions, and the thing we need is content and privacy restrictions. It's a little further down on this screen time screen, so I'm going to scroll down here just a bit. I'm scanning for the exact words content and privacy restrictions, and once I see it, I'm tapping it. Alright, now we're inside content and privacy restrictions. This is one of those menus where the options can be pretty specific, so just take it slow and read what you see. The next thing we need to open is Intelligence and Siri. So I'm looking through this page for Intelligence and Siri, and once it shows up, I'm tapping it. Okay, now we're on the Intelligence and Siri screen, and this is where the Siri related controls live under these restriction settings. What we're looking for here is the Siri and dictation option. You should see it listed with a toggle switch next to it. So at this point we're going to turn on Siri and dictation. I'm looking right at the toggle next to Siri and dictation, and I'm tapping that switch once so it flips on. When it's on, it should look active, and that's your confirmation it's enabled. Now just take a second here and make sure it actually stayed on. Sometimes people tap twice without meaning to, especially if the screen is a little sensitive, so I like to pause and visually confirm the toggle is clearly in the on position. If it's active, you're good. And that's basically it. The change applies immediately, so there's no extra save button you need to hunt for. You can back out of this menu whenever you're ready, and the setting will stay the way you left it. I'll usually tap back once just to confirm I'm done here, but you can also just exit settings at this point. One quick thing to keep in mind while you're here: this is the exact spot where that setting lives, so if you ever need to change it again, you'll come right back to screen time, then content and privacy restrictions, then intelligence and Siri, and you'll see the same Siri and dictation toggle waiting for you. The important part today is that you found it and switched it on successfully. So to recap what we just did in real time, we opened settings, went into screen time, opened content and privacy restrictions, tapped intelligence and Siri, and then turned on Siri and dictation. Once that toggle is on, you're all set.